In this video, I will show how to install OBS Studio on Ubuntu 22.04. All command which I will use in this video you can find in video description. If you have any questions, please leave me a message in the comments section and I'll do my best to answer. Let's get it started. Open Terminal. This command will add the OBS repositories to your system. Press Enter. Type sudo password and press Enter. Press Enter. This command downloads the package lists from the repositories and updates them to get information on the newest versions of packages and their dependencies. Now, time to install OBS Studio and ffmpeg. ffmpeg is a universal media converter. Type Y to continue installation. This may take a while, so please be patient. OBS installation is complete. You may now close the terminal. Let's start OBS Studio. Please find OBS Studio icon. This is OBS Studio icon. Please click to start OBS Studio. You can find the link to the OBS Studio setup guide in the video description. So this is how you can install OBS Studio on Ubuntu. I hope you've enjoyed this video, and if you have any questions or run into any issues, feel free to drop them in the comment section below. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.